Hello guys, I'm doing a video, and by the way, I'm having a giveaway of my whole entire list. Yeah, and first of all, I will show you my list. And there's my list. And first of all, if you want to get it, you have to type your username and your stats and a reason. And first of all, whoever gets, like, by the way, the way I do giveaways is when I get the mail times, but nobody gives me mail times. If I don't, like, I have 10 subscribers and I have nothing. See, nothing. And yeah, it's a reason that if you guys could start, like, doing these mail times, okay? I'm sorry that's very, like, stupid about that, but if you want to win, you got to watch this video, and yeah, and thanks for watching, and good luck on doing that. Now, bye!